English is quite broad. That is why it is narrowed down into 4 categories of reading, writing, speaking, and listening for easy articulation. It's a new year, and permit me to say a happy new year to you. For the year, I wish you a beautiful year, a blossoming year, and a fun-filled year. Kickstarting the year with this very first video, I kind of want to give you some additives and colorfulness you want to bring to this channel. Like I requested at the end of last year that you should give me your suggestion. So a lot has been brought, a lot has been dropped. Based on your requests, we are bringing colors to this channel. So far so good. We've been doing the reading and the writing, and we know English doesn't stop there. So we started there because we want to get it from the basic while we progress to the advanced level. Welcome back. So right here on the board, the main business of the day, we have letters like this, with this and this. As we all know, if you've been following me, you will know what these things are and what they are doing right here. Okay, so we've been doing the consonant vowel. Today let's do consonant because it is necessary for us to know that sometimes it is consonant vowel, then sometime again it is consonant. All right, so listing all this basically, some of them are not pronounceable, but I want us to work according to the 26 layers of English language. That's why I put it out this way, though most of them are usable. Yes. Okay, so I'll be focusing on the ones that are popular that we all see on daily basis. Okay, now starting from the first, we have HLRY. HLRY. Okay, now we are familiar with the B's, familiar with the C's, familiar with some of the D like this, familiar with the F, familiar with the G, not quite with the HL and HR, but with HY. Familiar with this? No, not familiar with this, no, this. Okay, moving fast. We are familiar with this. Okay, we're familiar with this, the X as well, and this very W. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it because this video don't need to be that lengthy. So we have HLRY. Looking at this throughout the whole on the board, you will see that H only appeared here, where again, and here. Okay, these are the two places H appeared. Other ones are LRY. Okay, so basically LRY can be equated to A-E-I-O-U, if you know what I mean. The consonant, the vowels that comes after the first consonant. Okay, let's progress. Now I have this listed on the board. This X is amazing, trust me. This is the only letter that fits in with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 consonant sound, and at the same time fits in for 5 vowel sound. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so let's move. Now we are equally familiar with all this one. Okay, let me make it more clearly by using words that you can find them. You can have BL, blast, block, bloom, blow, and all that. We have BR, bring. We have BY, buy. I have CH, chi, church, church, chemist. What are they? Okay, we have clothes, credit, cycle. This we have die, fling, free, fine. We have Ghana. We have gleaned. We have grind. We have gynecologist. So these ones, I'm not going to go into them, but you know what I mean by this. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. We have these ones here, the PH. We have philosophy. We have physical. We have phenomenal and all that. We have PL. We have plan, plain and all. We have PR. We have prolong and the rest. We have PY. We have the psychology. Okay, and all that. Now let's quickly rush to X because I know these ones are not, we're not familiar with that. We still have this TH, D, TL, TR, 3, twin, 20, type, and all that. We have the WH, the when, we have the wrong, we have the when, and the rest. Okay, so now let's look at the X. We have XC, we have the score, we have shoe, skill, slogan, small, snail, spoon, squad, what's that? Slew, okay, straight, sweep, snatch, and all that. Okay, so we are familiar with this. If you know what I'm trying to say, I'm trying to tell you words that begin this way. That's short of it. Okay, now let me bring this to your notice. Yeah, if you watch when I was pronouncing certain words, this kind of changed. All right, compared to how we pronounced it the first time when it was GA, GE, GI, GO, GU, when it was PA, and the rest, just like it. So here, this GH sounds like F. Yeah, you can see for yourself. Cough, rough, tough, laugh. You got that? And the PH as well sounds like the F. We have the pharmacy, the physical, and like I mentioned. Now, the CH sounds like chi or ki. Yeah, you have it like chemicals, the ki. Christmas, the ki. We have it as chat, the chi. Children, the chi. Change, the chi. Church. We have CH, the chi sound. We have sharp, ch. This is chi, chi, ch, ch. And this is she sound, sharp, shine, all the she there. Okay, so that is it. I want us to be aware of this. We're going to try to pronounce it again or not on this video. Okay, so we're going to do it in a shorter form so that I can recite it just as we normally recite the other one, but I'm going to do a separate video for that. Okay, so this is what I have for us today, and I think this is going to be the final for this stage. Should we add one? Maybe we should add to make it 3. Okay, maybe we'll look into that along the way, but I'm trying to let us know that we're going to be moving from here to another stage. So expect something different on our next video. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're just seeing me. Stick around, stay blessed, and bye for now.